Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Expert Engineers. Today we will discuss some of the important units used for the measurement of electrical quantities. Now let's start. The SI unit of current is dash. A. Coulomb, B. Ampere, C. Volt and D. Ohm. The correct option is B. Ampere. Next is the SI unit of charge is dash. A. Ampere, B. Farad, C. Coulomb and D. Volt. The correct option is C. Coulomb. The SI unit of charge is Coulomb. Next is the SI unit of voltage is dash. A. Volt, B. Ampere, C. Ohm and D. Joule. The correct option is A. Volt. The SI unit of voltage is volt. Next is the SI unit of power is dash. A. Joule, B. Ampere, C. Volt and D. Watt. The correct option is D. Watt. The SI unit of power is watt. Next is the SI unit of energy is dash. A. Ampere, B. Joule, C. Volt and D. Watt. The correct option is B. Joule. The SI unit of energy is joule. Next is the SI unit of work is dash. A. Hertz, B. Watt, C. Volt and D. Joule. The correct option is D. Joule. The SI unit of work is joule. Work has the same unit as that of energy. Next is the SI unit of active power is dash. A. Watt, B. Volt ampere, C. Volt ampere reactive and D. None of the above. The correct option is A. Watt. The SI unit of active power is watt. Next is the SI unit of reactive power is dash. A. Watt, B. Volt ampere, C. Volt ampere reactive and D. Joule. The correct option is C. Volt ampere reactive. The SI unit of reactive power is volt ampere reactive. Next is the SI unit of apparent power is dash. A. Watt, B. Volt ampere reactive, C. Volt ampere, D. None of the above. The correct option is C. Volt ampere. The SI unit of apparent power is volt ampere. Next is the SI unit of resistance is dash. A. Siemens, B. Volt, C. Henry and D. Ohm. The correct option is D. Ohm. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. Next is the SI unit of capacitance is dash. A. Ohm, B. Henry, C. Farad and D. Siemens. The correct option is C, farad. The SI unit of capacitance is farad. Next is the SI unit of inductance is dash. A, Henry, B, ohm, C, farad, D, hertz. The correct option is A, Henry. The SI unit of inductance is Henry. Next is the SI unit of impedance is dash. A, Siemens, B, farad, C, ohm, and D, Henry. The correct option is C, ohm. The SI unit of impedance is ohm. Next is the SI unit of conductance is dash. A, ohm, B, Siemens, C, farad, D, Henry. The correct option is B, Siemens. The SI unit of conductance is Siemens. Next is the SI unit of resistivity is dash. A, volt per meter, B, Siemens per meter, C, ohm meter, and D, ohm per meter. The correct option is C, ohm meter. The SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Next is the SI unit of conductivity is dash. A, ohm meter, B, Siemens per meter, C, volt per ampere, and D, volt per square meter. The correct option is B, Siemens per meter. The SI unit of conductivity is Siemens per meter. Next is the SI unit of permittivity is dash. A, volt per meter, B, Siemens per meter, C, ohm meter, and D, farad per meter. The correct option is D, farad per meter. Next is the SI unit of reactance is dash. A, ohm, B, mho, C, ohm meter, and D, per ohm. The correct option is A, ohm. The SI unit of reactance is ohm. The SI unit of susceptance is dash. A, ohm, B, per ohm, C, Siemens, D, mho. The correct option is C, Siemens. The SI unit of susceptance is Siemens. Next is the SI unit of admittance is dash. A, ohm, B, joule per coulomb, C, ohm meter, and D, Siemens. The correct option is D, Siemens. The SI unit of admittance is Siemens. Next is the SI unit of frequency is dash. A, second, B, hertz, C, candida, D, Newton. The correct option is B, hertz. The SI unit of frequency is hertz. Next is the SI unit of time period is dash. A, candela, B, hertz, C, second, and D, hour. The correct option is C, second. The SI unit of time period is second. Next is the SI unit of time constant is dash. A, candela, B, second, C, hertz, D, R. The correct option is B, second. Next is the SI unit of angular velocity is dash. A, radian per second, B, revolution per second, revolution per minute, and D, none of the above. The correct option is A, radian per second. The SI unit of angular velocity is radian per second. The SI unit of angular displacement is dash. A, meter, B, revolution, C, radian, and D, none of the above. The correct option is C, radian. The SI unit of angular displacement is radian. Next is the SI unit of electromotive force means EMF is dash. A, joule per second, B, Newton meter, C, Newton, and D, volt. The correct option is D, volt. The SI unit of electromotive force means EMF is volt. The SI unit of magnetomotive force means MMF is dash. A, volt, B, ampere turn, C, joule per coulomb, and D, Newton. The correct option is B, ampere turn. The SI unit of magnetomotive force means MMF is ampere turn. Next is the SI unit of magnetic field is dash. A, Tesla, B, Weber, C, Newton per coulomb, and D, ampere turn. The correct option is A, Tesla. The SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla. Next is the SI unit of magnetic flux is dash. A, Weber per meter, B, Weber, C, Newton per coulomb, and D, Tesla. The correct option is B, Weber. The SI unit of magnetic flux is Weber. The SI unit of electric field is dash. A, volt per meter, B, volt per coulomb, C, Newton per coulomb, and D, coulomb per second. The correct option is volt per meter. The SI unit of electric field is volt per meter. Next is the SI unit of electric flux is dash. A, volt per meter, B, Newton meter per coulomb, C, Newton per coulomb, and D, volt meter. The correct option is D, volt meter. The SI unit of electric flux is volt meter. Next is the SI unit of length is dash. A, foot, B, inch, C, meter, and D, kilometer. The correct option is C. Meter. The SI unit of length is meter. The SI unit of area is dash. A. Square foot, B. Square meter, C. Square kilometer, and D. None of the above. The correct option is B. Square meter. The SI unit of area is square meter. The SI unit of volume is dash. A. Cubic pound, B. Cubic centimeter, C. Cubic meter, and D. Cubic feet. The correct option is C. Cubic meter. The SI unit of volume is cubic meter. Next is the commercial unit of electrical energy is dash. A. Kilowatt hour, B. Joule, C. Kilowatt, D. Watt second. The correct option is A. Kilowatt hour. The commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. Next is the SI unit of reluctance is dash. A. Ohm, B. Mho, C. Ampere turn per Weber, and D. Siemens. The correct option is C. Ampere turn per Weber. The SI unit of reluctance is ampere turn per Weber. Next is the SI unit of electric force is dash. A. Kilowatt hour, B. Joule, C. Newton, and D. Watt second. The correct option is C. Newton. The SI unit of electric force is Newton. Next is the SI unit of luminous flux is dash. A. Weber per square meter, B. Lumen, C. Lumens per square meter, and D. Candela. The correct option is B. Lumen. The SI unit of luminous flux is lumen. Next is the SI unit of illuminance is dash. A. Lux, B. Lumens per meter, C. Lumen, and D. Candela per square meter. The correct option is lux. The SI unit of illuminance is lux. Next is the SI unit of torque is dash. A. Newton per meter, B. Newton per square meter, C. Newton meter, and D. None of the above. The correct option is C. Newton meter. The SI unit of torque is Newton meter. Thanks for watching this.